so many.
Kinonyalam ke HYC hene kesni ningkong klarit ban kenduk markhmat yeu ba Ardent ubadang don ha additional secretariat ban penpau ba kiru kum kaseng kindon rengkat bat u ha Jingiakhun bandawa nak sarkar bakan bishar benya abyang ya reservation policy. Habakran bakilat pathai khubor uba Robert Jun Kharjaran ulaong ba kum kaseng kindon rengkat bat utei urang ba khnang ba Jingiakhun yala ka jong kabha kan long ka ba seiso.
And so many legislators in the past who is in the present government, they have raised this issue time and again. So we feel that since the job reservation policy in our state based its allocation of quota on population need to be reviewed or need to be along as per the population, which means that it is necessary for the job reservation policy to be reviewed for every 10 years, or to be very specific, we need to review after the census came into published. So we feel that the Meghalaya government should take these matters very seriously. The legislature of Khasinews should unite on this issue, because this issue will not benefit party A, B or C, but this issue will go a long way toward the beneficial of the Neotrip committee as a whole. We should come together with a cool mindset to discuss and finally resolve this issue, which has been a thorn in the flesh for the past 50 years. So we feel that the government should listen to Ardent because he is not raising the voice of VPP alone, he raised the voice of the Neotrip people as a whole. Government till date is demanding on this issue, and we know the reason. The reason is not the legal issue, which they have said time and again, but the reason is purely political convenience. Because if they review this policy, they may feel that the HA committee may not like it. So that is the only reason which the government has till date has not yet resolved this issue. But we feel that the government is guided by the principle of justice and fair play. So we feel that based on the principle of justice and fair play, the government should invite Ardent for a talk. They should invite all the important stakeholders for discussion and for a talk. And this issue needs to be resolved one and for all. In case the government fails to do so, we from the Neotrip Youth Council has already had plan in our mind, and we will take that action at an appropriate time.